Well, hello there, fabulous people. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I will be showing you how I made this absolutely delicious pumpkin spice milk bread. I'm sure you're really gonna like it. Well, remember to click the like button, share this video with your friends and family, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. So, let's get straight into it. I'm gonna start by measuring out exactly 480 grams of flour. I'll leave all of my measurements and exact ingredients in my description box below. So I'm using 3 tablespoons of pureed pumpkin. To this, I will add 100 ml of milk, 1 large egg. I'm going to be adding 2 tablespoons of caster sugar. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of instant yeast. And I love the aroma of grated nutmeg, and I'm going to be using the freshly grated nutmeg. I'm using just a half of it. Now I'm going to mix everything together. Should take just about a minute or so. Once it's all mixed, then we're ready to begin. I'm going to add that 480 grams of flour that we measured out in the beginning. Now I'm adding 1 tablespoon of salt, and I'll simply mix this all together. Now, if you have a standing mixer, feel free to use that. It makes life so much easier. Just throw all the ingredients in there and press the start button. I just wanted to mix this by hand today. So once everything begins to come together, I'm going to simply add 50 grams of unsalted butter, and I will continue to mix by hand. So I continue to fold this by hand for between 4 to 6 minutes until it begins to look absolutely silky smooth. Now I just love when my bread dough is absolutely silky smooth. It's just beautiful. So now that the bread dough is ready, it's time to proof the bread. I'll simply cover the bread and leave it to rise for exactly 1 hour. So about 1 hour later, the dough has worked its magic and punch down to remove every excess air in the bread. Just throw it onto your work surface. What I'm going to simply do is cut this bread into 3 equal portions. So I'm now cutting the bread into 3 equal portions. And then one at a time, I'm going to just punch it down, so you don't necessarily need to use a rolling pin for this one. Just punch it down with your palm and just roll it as tight as you possibly can. Don't forget to pinch to seal it all together. Now I'm going to just add this to my bread loaf tin and set it aside for now. So that's 1 down and 2 to go. So again, I'll show you. Punch it down with your palm. Just fold it together. You want to roll it as tight as you possibly can. Don't forget to pinch to seal it up, and simply add it to your baking loaf tin. And I'll do exactly the same for the third one. It's absolutely simple. And throw it in there. And there you have it. Now once we've done this, it's time for the second proofing. So I'm going to cover this and allow it to proof for 40 to 45 minutes, and that's well reasoned enough and time to bake. So I'm throwing this straight into my oven. I'm going to bake it at 170 Celsius for between 25 to 30 minutes. So about 30 minutes later, the bread is ready. There is nothing I love than the smell of freshly baked bread. It just makes my day. And if you can see, just look around. I love the height. So allowing the bread to rise the second time has given it this beautiful height, which I absolutely love. So I've left the bread to cool down for about 30 minutes or so, and now I'm going to rip one section of it out just to show you how absolutely gorgeous this bread is. I tell you, it tastes even better than it looks. I hope you can try out this recipe sometime. Remember to click the like button, share this video with your friends and family, and if you have not already, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you all so much for watching this video. I'll see you again next time with another video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.